Rainbows. Oh, that was weird. What accent was that? Holy hell. Rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a LUSH haul. So LUSH have always been so amazing to me, spoil me so much. I recently was invited to their Murray Street store in Perth and got spoiled with all new goodies for Mother's Day and also Easter. Now I know my daughter's been in this bag. She's taken stuff out of the packaging and probably put stuff in different packaging. So it's all kind of jumbled. It smells amazing though. But I'm basically gonna show you guys what I got. So I do apologize if it's in the wrong packaging or if I'm describing the wrong product, or yeah, I'll try and like organize it as best I can, but well, yeah. I've just been trying to keep this bag away from her until I had a chance to film this video. All right. So this is the first thing that this is not the right thing, I can tell. I don't know if this is the right thing. I'm hoping it is. I'm gonna try and double check online. But this is the first thing I'm seeing. This is melty, like already in my hand, it's like melting in a way, like it feels very, very luxurious and rich. I think this is the Creme Egg Bubble Bar, I think, or maybe this is soap. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna read it. Looking for a cracking good bath? This uplifting spearmint and cocoa butter bubble-room is an excellent choice. This isn't it. Nah, this isn't it. I know what the cream eggs look like. Damn, I don't know what this is. Sorry. Here is the cream egg. So yeah, definitely has like a pepperminty, slightly creamy, toothpastey kind of scent, but in a pleasant way. And it has like a layer of like shea butter in the center. This is a little bit dirty because Hazel's had her hands all over it, but it's a bum. Can you see that bum? It's a cheeky bum. Cheeky bum. So this is the Baby's Bum Cleanser. Come a little closely, baby. Rub it on, rub it on. Gently guide this cheeky cleanser across your face and massage. Use a warm face cloth or a toner water to wipe away dirt and makeup. So this feels incredibly melty, silky smooth. Like already on my hands, it's like melty. It does feel like it has that kind of shea butter or like oil type base. So it's going to be really good at definitely melting away makeup, which is actually good because I forgot I had this and I've run out of my makeup remover. So bonus. And it smells really nice as well. All right, here's the next thing. This is the Golden Egg Bath Bomb. It says, indulge in a super soak rich in moisturizing fair trade organic cocoa butter, Brazilian orange oil, and glittering gold luster. Drop into a hot bath for golden glimmery waters. Oh my God. That's one thing I've missed because I'm not having baths because I'm pregnant. You know, not like I've cut out coffee completely. I've, you know, cut out all this stuff just to be on the extra cautious, safe side. But I can't wait to have some baths. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how pretty it is. So super glittery. This would be really, oh my God, that smell is delicious. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like Honey I Wash the Kids. Has a real mouth-watering, sweet, chocolatey, cocoa-y kind of scent, but it's not like sickly or anything like that. And super, super glittery. Oh my gosh. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Magic Rabbit Bath Bomb. A show-stopping and beautifully fruity deep purple bath filled with Davana oil and popping candy. Run a hot bath and drop your bath bomb in to create a magical bath quicker than you can say abracadabra. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right. And it smells delicious. Very, very fruity, but a little bit more kind of rich as well. Not like a sickly sweet smell. So this is how it looks. We have these little kind of bunny ears. So cute. And I think they might have showcased this one to me. I can't quite remember, but oh, I'm pretty sure they did. And you can actually hear like the popping candy in it, and the color is just beautiful. Oh, yes, thank you. All right, next we have Avo Good Easter Soap. Why brunch when you can bathe? Rich in avocado, this soap is a real toast of the town with sparkling citrus scent of bergamot and listeria. Something. Lather, rinse and repeat. Oh, I didn't Yeah, the other one, I didn't really describe the scent too much, but yeah, it smells really nice. Not really citrusy, but more kind of berry type scent, I think. This one is so freaking cute, honestly. So this is a soap. Look at it. Oh my god, it's an avocado soap. Oh. I don't think this bowl comes out. It might eventually, but this has the most mouth-watering, juicy, like lime, lemony, lemongrass kind of citrusy scent. It's just delicious, and I think this will be really nice and softening on the skin as well. So yes. All right, next we have Sunny Side Up. This is a shower jelly. It's no yolk. Cheery little egg has a cracking mix of coconut, pineapple, and carrageenan extract. I'm probably saying that wrong, I'm sorry. So this one is designed to look like an egg. It has a yolk. Oh my god, it has a yolk. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I need to get this out. Oh, it smells... It reminds me of lolly bananas and even like lolly pineapples. It's got that kind of lolly tropical sweet scent to it. But basically, oh my god, look, how cute is this? It's an egg with the yolk. Oh my god. I love the shower jellies. They're so much fun. Hazel loves them too. All right, so this is the next one. I'm pretty sure this is what this one is. I think it's the Mamma Mia Naked Shower Scrub. A sea salt body scrub, softening cocoa butter, and the fragrance of vanilla and rosewood. Yeah. How could you resist it? Grab a hold of your naked body scrub and buff all over your body before rinsing away with warm water. So this is basically an in-shower scrub or in-bath scrub. It feels really nice and creamy and softening on the outside, but I think as soon as you start to break into it, it's got like a little bit of grit there for exfoliating purposes. So yay! Last few ones, and it smells really nice as well, that one. This is the things kind of come off the something poet something. It's a shampoo bar. So it says, for the sophisticated chick, this conditioning shampoo bar for sleek, shiny hair thanks to sandalwood and rose oils. Lather in the hands or directly onto wet hair. Rinse away for clean, cleansed, shiny hair with fragrance. So I love the shampoo bars. Even for Hazel, these ones are just so good, so quick and easy. So this is how it looks. Gold on one side, black on the other. It smells beautiful. I really love the fragrance that they have, and it does definitely linger in your hair and you can still smell it. It's definitely like a perfumey, sophisticated kind of scent to it. I can't put my finger on exactly what it is. Maybe it's the rose that kind of takes away a bit, but it's delicious. All right, a few more things. Next we have the Mamma Mia. So this is a body scrub. I'm pretty sure this is the packaged version of the non-packaged one we had just before. So take a chance on a powerhouse of pink. Ingredients that brighten and smooth. My, how could you resist? Really know what soft skin feels like. Pink Himalayan salt, rose clay, and vanilla combined to cleanse, polish, and perfume. Oh, I love scrubs. Oh my God, look at the color. Yes. So yeah, definitely very similar scent. It is more of a kind of moussey, whipped kind of consistency, but the grit of it is quite fine, quite soft, like you're not going to damage your skin in any way, but you can still feel it there and it would still get the job done. Woo, I love it. All right, this is the next little thing. This has maybe come into contact with something. It's all right. So this is a bubble bar. This is the Knockout Bubble Bar. Warm aching muscles with cinnamon leaf and peppermint oils. Hold this under running water for mounds of spiced bubbles and powerful pink water. When you've whipped up enough bubbles, pop on the side to dry for next time. So this is basically a reusable one. You can get so many washes out of this. It is waxed sealed on the end, so it will keep its shape. Or you've always got this little wax seal handle to hold on to. So basically you will literally just hold it under running water and so many bubbles will just form. And then once you're done, pat it dry a little bit and just leave it for next time. So you could get, like, there's no way you need to use this all in one go. Like, so much can be used out of this. It smells divine. These scents are really right up my alley. It's really spicy. So this one is for like aching muscles, you're sore, you're tired, or if you just like that kind of warming sensation in a way. Just delicious. Cinnamon, clove, spices, ginger. Oh, love it. In love. And I also got 2 little samples of the ginger shower gel. So they do have like the Spice Girls kind of thing going on. They've got ginger. I think they've got another thing that's Posh. Maybe that's what that shampoo bar was. I think that was maybe Posh. I think it could have been. So yeah, this is just a little sample of the ginger one. It is bright red. I'm pretty sure it's got those glitter kind of particles in it. And it smells amazing. I don't think it has a super gingery kind of scent, but it has a real earthy, rich, woodsy kind of smell to it, but it's really nice, really nice. Alrighty, so there you have it, all of the goodies for Lush, Easter and Mother's Day. Thank you again so much to Lush for having me. You guys are amazing. Noah, who took me around, he's just so lovely, so knowledgeable, and just, God, I don't know how he remembers so much stuff, really. He's good at his job. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.